In the last video, we learned how to score and cut our pieces using scoring wheel, double scoring wheel, and our fine point blade. In this video, we'll assemble the apple and its rosette, plus this beautiful box. Let's pick up exactly where we left off. Start creasing and folding this piece, accordion style. And repeat, fold after fold. These super sharp, crisp creases are the secret to perfect rosettes, which are effortless, by the way, thanks to our scoring wheel. Repeat this technique for the second piece, but this time fold the opposite direction of how you started the first. With the final fold, you can now see how these two pieces fit together. It's subtle, but just mirror these curves here so it's a seamless match. And glue the tab of one piece to the other. Do the same for the two remaining tabs, and you've come full circle. To transform this piece into a rosette, first notice the side with curves. The other has more of a flat edge. Working from this straight edge side, gently gather the folds with your fingers and press them towards the center. Use your glue gun on the back side of the rosette. Yes, you can be a little more generous than usual. Then use your stabilizing centerpiece to hold it all together, holding for a few seconds as it dries. Next, the leaf. Use a tab of glue at the base here. Attach the stem to the center fold of the apple, and there you go. Glue this yellow piece to the black piece. Which then gets glued to the apple rosette. And there you go. Onto the box. These double score lines make every fold exceptionally easy. Fold into the box, toward the white side of the material. Fold every crease. These arrows go in. Notice the 3 slits on each side with corresponding arrows. Start with the arrow closest to the base of the box, and insert the arrow partially into the first slit, working your way up to the second and third. And when you've got all 3 in place, push each one all the way in until you hear a little click. Repeat on all 4 sides. For extra credit, go ahead and put a gift in. Then, fold the lid when you're ready. And the finishing touch, affix your apple rosette to the center front of the box. And there you have it. Looks great. For more Cricut tips, how-tos, and project ideas, join us at youtube.com/officialcricut.